Okay, so here we have a Compaq V3000. I purchased this from $50 from a friend of mine. Opened its packaging with bare hands. Okay, let's open it with my bare hands. Okay, so what we got here is the power supply and the power brick. So here's the power supply. Take that out of the bag. Say HP certified. And inside here we have a Compaq itself. Put this down for a moment. There's a Compaq. And we have something else. We have some cord inside here. I'm sorry for the horrible unboxing. I'm not used to getting big boxes like this. Okay. So we have that. And this is a plug, S-video plug. And the power adapter that was mentioned earlier. And here we have the computer itself. You can open it. Very good packaging, I could say. Okay. Here's a Compaq. Runs Windows 7, I believe. So here's a power plug, the S-video cable, and a Compaq. Put it up. Running AMD as designed for Windows XP, but it's for when they put Windows 7. It runs LightScribe and NVIDIA graphics. Here you can see it loads Windows 7. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.
Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Oh, what you gonna do?